Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels. So unlock your phone. Let me quickly just do that. Here, let's click on the settings. And here, let's scroll down until we see sound and vibration. So here, make sure that the volume is adjusted right so you guys can hear this. So make sure that it's not muted. And if that didn't work, then what you guys can do is try and clean the speaker grill. That is right here. So after you clean the speaker grill, then it should be better. But it's not 100% accurate. So if that didn't work, then what you guys can do is disable the Bluetooth to make sure that the audio isn't rerouted to any other device. So let's go over settings. Now here, let's select Bluetooth and make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled right here. So let me enable it. As you guys can see, now we have some headphones right here and we don't want them. Like, imagine I was connected to them, and if I was connected and I would try to play some sound, then it won't go through my speaker, it will go to those headphones. So now what you guys can do is basically disable the Bluetooth to make sure that the audio isn't routed to any other device or a card. And if that didn't work, then what you guys can try to do is go over and update your software, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your speaker not working. So go to About Phone. Now here, click on Xiaomi HardReset, and it will check automatically if you have any updates available. So if you do, then you will see a big notification alerting you to update your software. If not, then you will simply see a message that says no updates available right at the bottom. And now, if that didn't work, even after you updated your software, what you guys can do is go over to Factory Reset, and here click Erase All Data. After you enter your PIN and confirm it, then make sure to back up your items first. It's very important because you can lose a lot of information, like your personal data, your contacts, apps, and everything. So basically, after clicking Erase All Data, you will reset your phone and it will be in a state when you first bought it and opened it. So if nothing helped, then it may be the issue of the hardware and not the software, and you should get it checked out by a professional. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!